Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and welcome to Texas. We're glad you're here. And today I want to give you the secret to a nice looking lawn in the Dallas area. And that's a very simple recipe, very short and sweet. It's three things in this order. It's sun, it's water, and it's food. And the way I like to put it is we do mostly the food part of that. And if you notice, we're third on that list. I'd love to be higher, and Mother Nature keeps telling me we're just really not. It's the sun and it's the water that makes that food work. So if you're running into issues with your lawn, especially if it's a recurring issue that comes back year after year, there just aren't very many things that damage a lawn year after year. Insects don't pick on the same area, and most diseases don't either. So it's almost always an issue with either not enough sunlight in that area, or that it's not getting the correct amount of water. So if you've got patches in the lawn, or the lawn seems to be struggling, those are the first two things that I look at. Is it getting enough, and is it getting enough sunlight? And by enough sunlight, for Bermuda, that's about 8 hours of sunlight. St. Augustine is about 6, and Zoysia is about 3 or 4. So if you don't have at least 3 or 4 hours of sunlight, preferably a lot more, then that grass is going to struggle. And then on the watering, over the dead of summer, you need to be watering somewhere around an hour per week per zone if you're using normal spray heads, and you want to do that in 10-minute bursts. So again, the recipe for good grass really is not complicated. It's sun, water, and food in that order. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.